Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Clash of Clans clan, which is actually not possible in the traditional sense. Understanding this limitation is crucial for managing your clan effectively. Clans are designed to remain on the servers, even if dormant. There isn't a direct delete button for leaders to completely erase their clan from existence. This fundamental game mechanic shapes your available options. Since a direct deletion isn't an option, the practical method involves all members leaving the clan. If you are the leader and the last member, simply leave the clan yourself. This action will effectively disband it, making it unsearchable by other players after a short while. It won't be permanently removed from Supercell's servers, but it will cease to function for all practical purposes and become dormant. If you are the leader and there are other members, you must either promote someone else or ensure you are the last one remaining. To promote, tap on a member's name in the clan list, then choose Promote until they reach leader status. Once leadership is passed, you can then leave the clan without it being leaderless. Alternatively, if everyone else leaves, you can then depart as the final member. After you leave, if you didn't promote someone, the game automatically assigns leadership to the next eligible player. However, if the clan becomes completely empty, it will enter a dormant state. It effectively ceases to exist for new players, becoming unsearchable and inactive. While it remains on the game servers, it will no longer function as an active community. This process typically takes about 2 to 3 days to fully register.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.